learn how to play our Sort a Scientific Paper activity in today's video. You will need the instructions from fissionlearning.ca, the paper section cards, the paper section labels, tape, and scissors. Let's get started. First up, cut out the labels and section cards. Before we get started with the activity, let's go over what each section of a scientific paper contains. First up, we have the title, and that's the main purpose of the project. Second up, we have the authors, so that's who worked on the project and who contributed. Up next is the introduction, and that's where they explain the broader scope of the experiment and why they're doing it. Fourth is methods, and that's how they did the experiment. Fifth is the results, so that's what they found out from their experiment. And finally, sixth, it's the discussion. That's what the results mean. Now let's move on to the activity. Next, try matching the labels to the sections. Tape the labels to the sections once you think you have it right. You can check your work against our answer key online. Now order the sections, the same way you would see them appear in a scientific paper. The correct order is title, authors, introduction, methods, results, and finally discussion. Now that you have the correct order, tape the sections of the paper together. Congrats! You've managed to piece together this scientific paper. If you try out this activity for yourself, I'd love to see photos of it. Be sure to tag me in your posts on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Fission Learning. Thanks for watching this Fission Learning video. To check out more Fission Learning content, go to fissionlearning.ca. And as always, thanks to the NSERC for all of their support.